Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mga langga, my loves, my fingerlets. Good morning to all my subscribers and my new subscribers and to my members. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. So today guys, andito tayo sa bukid. Magluluto tayo ng we're going to make some chicken adobo with a twist. So I'm adding potatoes to my pork adobo. Actually, guys, my American friends, gustong gusto nila yung adobo na may patatas. And then, yung garlic fried rice, yun ang gusto din nila. So, I have a visitor today. May bisita tayo. So, ang ating requested na ulam o dinner is pork adobo and garlic fried rice. So, we had added garlic and then we just add in our pork. Ayan, so we're just going to mix it. So, don't mind about my beauty, guys. Kasi alam mo naman, walang tulog ang lola, kaya lalong pumapangit. Ayan, no, seryoso pa talaga ang mukha ni lola, guys. O, kasi hindi ko alam, guys, na meron akong bisitang darating. Sa bukid ba? So, ayan, no. So, with our pork adobo, we will go ahead and add some. Oh, so nag-decide ang lola. So, ang gagawin ko kasi sana, guys, yung ano lang siya. Yung iba-brown ko muna yung pork. Ayan, so I have showed you the potatoes. So, I have like 2 potatoes. I didn't wanna put too much. Kasi yung potato kasi ang maglalapot din yung sa it's gonna make our sabaw thicker. So, yan ang gusto ko rin sa potato. So, as of right now, we are going to brown our chicken. Our pork. And then, gusto ko yung merong para ba siyang caramelize yung itsura niya pag lagyan ko na siya ng mga seasoning, ng mga toyo, toyo at saka suka. Ayan. So I am cutting up our pork is cooking, and I'm cutting up peeling off our potatoes. Ayan. So dalawa lang I'm only using 2 potatoes. Ayan na yung isa kong bisita. Oh. Ayan, siya ang nag-request niya ng pork adobo. Ayan, so we had I'm still trying to brown my pork. Yes, gusto ko yung parang iprito muna yung pork ko bago ko lalagyan siya ng seasoning. Ganun, para lutong-luto ba siya. Ayan, para malambot talaga yung ating karne. Ayan, so hindi pa siya masyadong brown, so tatakpan ulit natin, I think. Ayan, so i-check natin in a few minutes. Ayan, okay ulit. Okay ang lola. Ayan, may tinan mo, guys, nagba-brown na siya. So, pasensya pala, guys, kasi pumunta ako sa bukid, nakalimutan kong mag-bitbit ng selfie stick or yung yung pang natin sa ating vlog. Hindi ako nakadala ng tripod, hindi ako nakadala ng selfie stick para meron namang taga-hawak sa aking cellphone. Ayan, so with the seasoning, we were using Old Bay. So, Old Bay, guys, pwede yun siya sa seafoods, mga seafood, tsaka karne. Ayan. And then we're going to use the adobo seasoning. Ayan. Nilagyan ko na rin yan. Ay, nilagyan ko na siya ng seasoning habang nagbo-brown na yung ating pork. Ayan, pasensya na talaga sa aking atsura, guys. naghanap pa ang lola ng ibang seasoning. Ayan, nakalimutan ko kung anong laman ng aking cabinet. Ayan, so we're gonna use black pepper. Ayan. Ayaw pang lumabas yung aking pepper. Oh. Ayan, so hindi ko na dinamihan masyado yung pepper kasi marami pa tayong mga seasoning na ilalagay later. Ayan, lagyan natin ng konting salt. Ayan. Kundi rin lang ang nilagay ko guys na asin. I only put a little bit of salt only because we're gonna add some soy sauce. And you know, soy sauce already is a bit salty, so we are just going to use a little bit of salt. Ayan, mix. Go ahead and just mix it all around and do the hokey pokey, da 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 da, and that is all about. I'm going crazy, y'all. Ayan, so we're going to go ahead and add our onions. Ayan, so I put a lot of onions. I like a lot of onions on my adobo. I don't know if you guys like to put onions. I like to put all kinds of seasoning or ingredients on my adobo. You know, something different. Lalo na yung chicken adobo, I like to put some chicken adobo. All kinds of seasoning then. Ayan, so i-add na rin natin yung ating yellow and I think orange peppers. And kung ano lang meron akong gulay-gulay sa bahay guys, yan lang ang nilalagay ko. Kasi last minute talaga ito na plano dahil wala akong plano na magkaroon ng bisita. O, diba? Ayan, so ayan na yung ating pork adobo. Yan, medyo ano na siya, kunting dry na siya. Yang nakita nyo yung aking meat. Medyo caramelized na siya ng itsura. Yan, no? Brown na siya, tsaka parang caramelized na talaga siya. O, diba? Pero meron pa akong nalalaman na caramelized. Wala kayo dyan. Ayan, so, ang gagawin natin dyan, I think, you guys, we will go ahead and add our vinegar, our toyo. Oh, hindi pa daw, oh. Takpan daw ulit. Oh, diba? So, ayan. Ayan. I think what I was trying to do there was trying to cook the veggies a little bit. Kaya tinakpan mo na siya. Oh, alam nyo naman guys, you know, when I create the video guys, I don't edit it right away. So I don't remember what I've been doing on the videos. So this time we are going to add our soy sauce. We will add our soy sauce and then I think we are going to add our vinegar, if I'm not mistaken. So I am using white distilled vinegar. Ayan. Medyo napadami yata yung aking suka. But it's supposed to be enough to be able to taste the vinegar. Ayan, so mixing muna. Make sure the meat gets all of that goodness. And then here is our potatoes. So what I did, I went ahead and cut up the potatoes bigger cuts para hindi siya madurog pag naluto. Kasi once nadurog na siya guys, magiging thick ang sauce tapos magiging tuyo, ano siya. So I just used two potatoes and I cut it in big chunks so that it will not melt, or should I say, yeah, parang matunaw siya. It will not make it into a mashed potatoes. Ayan, serious ang lola niyo. Oh, tinan mo. Ang okay siya. Super serious. And don't be serious, Mia. It's okay. Everything will be alright. And so we will go ahead and add our vinegar. Make a love shout out Florida. We will see you soon. Ayan, so we will go ahead and I only added a cup of water because I don't want my adobo yung maraming sabaw ba. I like it yung para siyang medyo tuyo ng konti. Not too much juice. O, diba? Not too much sauce. So we will go ahead and if you notice I have mixed it up and we will, I think, takpan na siya. We will put the cover on and let it simmer. So I think I was just checking here. Look at that. It looks delicious, isn't it? So it is cooking. I'm cooking everything pretty much. The potatoes, the meat. I'd like my pork really tender. So I'm cooking it in a medium heat. Also, just so the potato will not be will cook slowly, diba? Yung hindi siya masyadong bigla ang pagkaluto. So we'll go ahead and put the cover in and open again. Open again ang ating niluto. Tingnan nyo guys, it looks so delicious na talaga. Ayan, so it's still a lot of juice, I feel. So I will go ahead and let it simmer some more. Ayan, open and close tayo dito guys. Kasi takip bukas. O, takpan ulit. Bukas ulit. Ayan, so here we go. It looks so much better. Ayan, kunting kunting tuyo pa. Kasi medyo marami pang sabaw. Ayan, so we will go ahead and I think we will go ahead and taste our niluto, our adobo. Muntik pa napaso ang lola. Ayan, I think we needed more soy sauce kasi medyo matabang ng konti. Kasi 'di ba, konti lang nilagay natin na asin. So we will go ahead and add some more soy sauce. Ayan. Even though it looks dark already, the sauce, but it's still not, hindi pa talaga siya medyo maalat, guys. Because when we had it for dinner, yung pork adobo ko, hindi siya maalat pa, which is perfect lang. So, ayan, nilagyan natin ng konting soy sauce ulit. And then, mix ulit tayo. Ayan, nahirapan talaga ako sa kalisod, guys, kasi wala akong bit-bit na selfie stick or tripod. Ayan, so pasensya na kung medyo ganito ang ating itsura ng ating video. Ayan, so while that is simmering, our pork adobo, so may nag-request din ng garlic fried rice. Yung simple lang ba na garlic fried rice. So ayan, we went ahead and added our garlic. And ukay-ukayin ulit. So I have removed the pan away from the fire. Kasi guys, super init na yung ating mantika. And yung ating palayok. Ayaw ko masunog yung garlic and ang kanin natin. So I have removed it. And if you notice, even though I removed the pan from the fire, it was still hot when I added the garlic. So, ayan, so I removed it, and if you notice, it's still cooking there. Ganyan kainit yung ating palayok. So, I've added salt and pepper, I think. So, very simple lang yung ating garlic fried rice, guys. Of course, you call it garlic fried rice kasi garlic fried rice lang naman talaga, garlic lang naman talaga dapat ang ingredients, and then salt and pepper. Season it how you like it, diba? And then with my fried rice, I actually added a little bit of soy sauce. Again, we went ahead and checked our adobo just to make sure Ayan, takip ulit. And then with our fried rice, by the way, I went ahead and added a little bit of soy sauce para magkakulay naman siya. Ayan. So basically, our fried rice it's actually done. I just added a little bit of soy sauce to give it color. There you go. And that was requested by my friends. Ayan, request nila yan dyan, guys. Minsan kasi nung merong isang gathering, nagluto ako nito, guys. Tapos nagustuhan nila ng mga afamba. Kaya nag-request ulit sila na lutuin ko. Yan naman ang nire-request nila, guys, pag merong gathering. Ayan, so check muna natin ulit yung ating pork adobo. Make sure the sauce has gone down a little bit. Ayan, I feel like marami pa siyang sabaw. Ayan, so a little bit more, I think. Pero nag-ano na siya, nag-reduce na yung ating sauce. Ayan, so dyan na lang pala talaga ang ating guys, cooking. So, thank you so much. Have a good day. I love you, I love you, I love you.